Okay, good. Let's move on to exercise number 2. Now, let's see. I was going to talk about if I were playing this in regular open position chords. My C is right there in the first fret. Here's my F. So this is what we'll get into the next series where you have to do this half bar. That's why I did the caged exercises out of order, is to give you a chance to work up your hands and your knowledge of the 1-4-5 and your technique, clean it up a little bit so that you can get to these bar chords easier, like this F chord, and then eventually, this B chord shape where you're either barring or having to deal with all 4 fingers. So we'll do exercise number 2. If I were playing in open position chords, here's my my C. Here's my 4. Here's my 5. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll just stay playing C chord shape. And let's pick another rhythm here. So this is exercise number 2. Let's do rhythm number 5 with the tie. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 4, and. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 chord, 4, 5. Repeat.